Alright, ladies and gents, we can have your attention for a few moments. We'd like to point out the safety features of our 737-700 series aircraft. So fasten your seatbelt, slide the flat end into the buckle, thoroughly lift up on the buckle. That was so hard, I know. Position that seatbelt tight and low across those sexy little hips somewhere anytime you are seated. If you get sick of us, we have 6 emergency exits, 2 forward exit doors, 2 all-going window exits, 2 exit doors in the back, signs ahead, lights on the floor lead you to those exits. There is a beautiful safety information card in the seat back or literature pocket in front of you. If this love jet turns into a love boat, there is a life vest located under your seat. Remove the vest only if told to do so. Pull the red strap, open the container, and remove the pouch. Place that yellow vest over your head. Wrap the black strap around your waist. Both load in the front and pull to tighten. Once outside the aircraft, pull down on the right side to inflate the vest. Or to manually inflate for you overachievers. Blow into the right tube at your shoulder. And then it's kick paddle, orderly shore. But don't worry, we'll be right behind you. We have the beer and the peanuts. Alright, we're passing through the cabin to ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Your seat back and tray table is in the full upright long position. Carry on items all the way under the seat in front of you. Once again, please make sure your seatbelt is visible for us. It's much appreciated. Smoking, including use of electronic cigarettes, is not allowed on board, including in the lavatory. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying the smoke detectors in the aircraft lavatory. Federal aviation regulations require passenger compliance with related passenger information signs, posted placards, and crew member instructions, including information on seatbelts and smoking. And lastly, if needed, for oxygen masks will drop from broken overhead. To activate the flow of oxygen, pull down on the mask until the plastic tubing is fully extended. Place the mask over both your nose and your mouth and breathe normally. Secure the mask with the elastic strap. Although oxygen will be flowing, the plastic bag might not inflate. Continue wearing the mask until otherwise notified by a crew member. If you are traveling with children or anyone that might need additional assistance or anyone that's acting like a child, please remember to put your mask on first. That way you're able to help them as well. Thank you very much for the attention. Sit back, relax. Nice short hour, 10 minutes. Clear for departure. Double check your seatbelt is securely fastened. We're on our way.